Happy Father's Day, Papa. Sorry to be so late as I did not get time throughout the day. So, we have made a card for you, and the card goes like this. So, this is your hat, these are your cool glasses, your beautiful smile, and a tie for you. So, it shows pull down. You look very handsome in your goggles. Your smile makes us forget all our worries. There's a problem, I think. Let's fix it up. Done. You have always given me the best gifts anyone could give to another person. But the best one was that you believed in me. We all love you a lot. So here's a gift for you. A tie, a very small one, and a card. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Some messages from your beautiful and cute daughters. The first one is from Miss Drishti Singh, the boss. Happy Father's Day, I love you. Straight and forward. I should have said straightforward. That's right. Now, message from Srishti Singh. To my dear Papa, I love you and wish you a very happy Father's Day. It would have been more joyful if you would have been in Delhi right now. But this is also good, as बिना रोज़ों के ईद का क्या मज़ा? I may not have said this, but today I am saying it. You are the best father in this world, who is ready to do anything and everything for his ward's best and beautiful future. There is a lot to say, Papa, but there is not enough space to do so in this card. I hope my heart connects with you, yours, and you understand each and every word of mine, my feelings, even without me saying them. So, we miss you a lot, Papa. Love you. Happy Father's Day once again. So here's a calm down or repetition of everything. The Waterfall Happy Father's Day card. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Love you.